back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I am doing something really cool. I am going to show you a new box that I've never received. It's called the Sewers Club. It's a monthly quilting and sewing box, project in a box. And I am also doing a giveaway that is open to residents of the United States, Canada, and the UK. So stay tuned, watch the video, and I'm going to be giving the rules throughout. And at the end of the video, of course, enter. So Sewers Club this is my first box, and I'm very excited, if you can tell. They sent me this box complimentary for my review, and I really appreciate that. Thank you, Sewers Club, so much. And let's get started. The box comes just like this. The pricing on the box is really actually very good. For a full project, it's $31.99 per month, and that includes the shipping costs. And that includes shipping, like I said, to the United States, Canada, and the UK. And if you want, you could subscribe for more than 1 month. There's a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 12-month subscription. And every time you increase the months, the price actually goes down. And I forgot to mention this. If you go through my link below, you're going to get $5 off of your first box to Sewers Club. So it's a win-win. You're going to get $5 off, and I am going to get a little commission off of that thanks to Sewers Club. I believe it might be $5, but I will let you know in the description box. So it's a win-win for both of us. So this month's project is a set of pot holders right there. Aren't those pretty? And here are the directions for making 2 pot holders. They included a card, and there's a code here. I have to cover it up. There's an alternate project that you can make. In addition to this one, you have to log in online and enter the passcode. And then these are the other items in the box. And there is a February add-on, which I did not receive, but the add-on is going to be included in the contest, the giveaway. The winner will get an add-on plus a box. And the add-on for this month is one of those silicone trivets for your iron, like an iron rest. And it comes with some thimbles, also some silicone thimbles. So if you choose this box, if you win the contest, I'm sorry, there's only one winner, but if you choose this box, you can also choose this add-on. Okay, enough talk. Let's go through the notions. The first one is some Gutermann thread. It's a very light pale pink. It's 100% cotton. It's 100 meters or 110 yards. So I think that's a real generous size. And it's so funny, I didn't realize this, but Gutermann is actually made in Greece. Who knew? Gutermann to me sounds German, and perhaps it is, but this is made in Greece. So that's your first item. And then they gave us, took it out because I've already started using it. They gave us these bobbin clips. So a bobbin clip, hang out, get my bobbin. Here's a nicely wound bobbin, okay? But like, say if you're traveling or your bobbin threads unwind all the time, check that out. You just hook it on to your bobbin. Very cute. And it will prevent all the thread from going, all over your sewing room or your sewing basket or whatever. So cool, I like that notion. I actually don't even have these, so this is the first time. You would think of all the subscription boxes I get, I would have that notion, but no, never received it. Let's go to the fabric because it's so lovely. It really is lovely. I can sleep on it. It is Adelaide Grove, presented by Free Spirit. They gave us 3 fat quarters. Very generous. The fabric is so lovely. I'm just gonna gush because I just think it's so pretty. I like florals. Isn't that gorgeous? That's the first one. And then they gave us one with birds. You like the birds? I like birds. Except if they're like pooping on my head. Nobody likes that. But there are pretty little, I guess, little parakeets. I'm not a bird owner because I don't know. I just wouldn't want to keep a bird in a cage, but I am a bird lover and I do like feeding the birds. So that's really pretty. And then the third fabric is this lovely gold and brown and tans, kind of like a pebble-like decoration. I can see that as such cool wallpaper, like on an accent wall. So yeah, those are the fabrics for these lovely pot holders. Wait, there's more. Comes really nice. This is the good stuff. This is the good 100% cotton batting, not the polyester that, hey, sometimes I buy polyester batting, you know, because I just need it for a project that's not the most special one, but this is nice stuff. And then it comes with the insulator batting. So if you make the pot holders, you won't burn yourself in the oven. So you would layer the fabrics with the batting and the insulation and sew it all together and you're good to go. And I did look at this pattern and I would say this pattern is definitely for a beginner or a confident beginner. The instructions are very clear, very detailed, and it goes step by step on how to make everything, how to cut everything, and I just think this is really, really, really pretty. So let's get to the giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway, you can win this exact same box or you can win March's box, which I don't know what it is. I'll be honest, I have no idea what March is. Just give me a comment below, and I'm not even gonna have you use a special word. Just gonna, any kind of comment below. You can tell me about yourself, you can tell me about sewing, you can just tell me anything, ask me a question. I do ask that you're subscribed to my channel because I do the giveaways for my subscribers because you're the ones that keep me going, really, and support my channel. But I'm going to do something a little different. I normally say you have to have your channel, like if I'm going to go check when I pick the winner, it's going to be a random comment picker, by the way. I check your channel and I see if you're publicly subscribed. You do not have to be publicly subscribed to enter the giveaway. So what I'm going to do, if I pick a winner, and when I pick the winner, not if your subscriptions are private, which is fine, because I understand a lot of people keep their subscriptions private for various reasons, and I get it. So I will contact you and say, hey, just give me a screenshot from your channel showing that you're subscribed to my channel. And if you send me that screenshot, if you're not publicly subscribed, and I picked you as the winner, then you win. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy, just comment, and when the random comment picker picks, I will contact you. So anyway, the video was cut off because I had too much data on my phone. So I had to delete some stuff, but I'm back. I just wanted to let you know when the winner is picked by the random comment picker. I will reply down below in the comments that you have won. So that's the way I will contact you, and please contact me back. And I will keep the giveaway open for 2 weeks. So that's it, guys. Enter, like, subscribe, and of course comment. Gotta have a comment to enter you. And I will see you in the next video. Take care all. Bye.